Every bottle of strawberry juice begins with freshly harvested fruit. Careful harvesting protects the fruit's delicate texture. The fresh harvest travels quickly to preserve its quality. At the factory, every shipment is checked before processing. Only clean, healthy strawberries continue through production. Controlled airflow removes excess water before processing. Stems are removed before the fruit enters extraction. The whole fruit becomes rich strawberry pulp. Fine separation creates a smoother strawberry juice base. Blending creates a consistent flavor and texture. Controlled heat processing helps make the juice safe and stable. Rapid cooling protects the finished juice quality. The juice rests briefly while consistency is maintained.
Laboratory tests confirm every batch meets strict standards. Now the finished strawberry juice enters its final packaging stage.
Each bottle receives the same carefully measured amount of juice.
Automated capping creates a secure seal on every bottle. Labels and traceability codes prepare every bottle for distribution. Robots build stable pallets ready for storage and shipment.
Finished juice waits in organized warehouse storage. Finished strawberry juice is loaded for its journey to consumers.
From fresh fields to finished bottles, every step creates the final strawberry juice.